Julia Roberts and Danny Meador were spotted walking their dog on an evening walk in a rare set of photos. The couple looked so in love as they held hands. Julia Roberts, 53, and her husband Daniel Meador, 52, looked so cute while walking their sweet dog in Los Angeles. The couple held hands as they strolled alongside their gray-colored dog on Tuesday, July 27. Julia and Danny, who works as cinematographer, twinned in jeans and face masks as on the casual outing. See the photos here. The Oscar-winning actress stayed cozy on top with a black button-down cardigan, finishing her ensemble with a pair of checkered Vans and a green tote bag. She kept her eyes hidden behind a black pair of square glasses as she crossed the street with her husband, opting to keep her hair center-parted and loosely curls. Meanwhile, Danny sported a burgundy t-shirt with a lightning bolt and flip-flops as he held onto their leashed pooch. The pair were also seen inside a Gelson's grocery store on the same trip, loading up on some essentials in a handheld black grocery cart. Related gallery. Julia Roberts through the years, pics. The sighting came just 3 weeks after the couple celebrated their 19th wedding anniversary on July 4. In a rare photo to Instagram, Julia snuggled up to Danny, who she met on the set of 2001's The Mexican, as they vacationed on a beach. 19 years. Just getting started. Julia pinned in the caption. The two looked low-key and relaxed for the selfie, with the pretty woman actress wearing an orange baseball cap and large oversized glasses. Julia and Daniel got married at her Taos, New Mexico ranch back in 2002, and are parents to 3 kids, twins Hazel Patricia and Phineas Finn Walter, now 16, and son Henry Daniel, 14. On July 10, daughter Hazel made her red carpet at the Cannes Film Festival with Daniel at the premiere of his film Flag Day. She looks so grown up in a button-down yellow shirt dress with a floral lace overlay, along with a pair of chunky Mary Jane shoes. Hazel finished her look with a ponytail as she proudly posed alongside her dad.